I'm Adrienne Klasa, Development Finance Editor of The Banker. I'm here in Miami at Swift's Latin America Regional Conference, and I'm joined by Marcela Zetina, who is Head of Open Innovation for BBVA in Mexico. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about how BBVA got to be where it is in the Mexican market. It is a leader. How has it changed in terms of product innovation?
Well, we have to be digital, right? So because that was the first thing that we started to create maybe 5 years ago. We have to start thinking about what are the digital products that we can offer and how our infrastructure can actually adapt to that situation. It is really hard for a bank to think in the systems and just start creating apps for the non-digital world. So the first thing we did is we changed the way we start creating our products, and then we had our digital department, which eventually disappeared because we understood that everything has to be digital.
What will drive innovation in the local sort of banking sector?
Well, at the end, we have, in Mexico, we have different problems that currently the banking system doesn't solve with the traditional products. So with that, we understand that there's a lot of startups right now coming and creating different models to solve financial inclusion, for example, which is something really important for Mexico. And I think that's the way we are starting to collaborate between the startups that solve the problems that we as a financial institution are not solving.
That actually leads in well to my last question, which is what can incumbents like BBVA do to sort of help spark innovation and entrepreneurship in Mexico more widely?
So we have to start collaborating with these startups, but what I think it's not only to understand what the startups need from us is what we can build together, because there are a lot of things that they are offering that we could perhaps give them the infrastructure that we have, because we are the biggest bank in Mexico, and they don't have that kind of approach. So I mean, at the end, if they are offering a really good service to their own bank, then they can start collaborating with us to create a better product for their customers.
Marcela, thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.